Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off live photos on your iPhone. So what live photos is, when you take a photo, it takes a photograph 1.5 seconds before and 1.5 seconds after, allowing you to see what happened before and after the photograph, making it into a short little video. This can become annoying, and to turn it off is quite simple. So let's head over to our camera by clicking it here. Sometimes the live photo will be in the top left hand corner. However, if you don't see it, you can press this little arrow symbol here in the circle in the middle of the iPhone, and this little circle with a line through it here, this is live photos. So you want to tap on that, and then you'll have these three options: auto, on and live off. So if you don't want live photos on, you want to select live off. However, once you've taken a picture and then brought the camera app back up after taking a picture, live photo can auto come back on, which can be quite annoying, but there is a way around this. So what you want to do is you want to head over to the iPhone settings, and you want to scroll down until we see camera, and then we want to tab into camera, and then on the camera settings you want preserve settings here, and down at the bottom here, live photo, you want to tab this on. Preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically resetting to live photo turned on. So with this tabbed on, any settings you make in the camera app will be remembered. So when you reset the camera, so let's say you want live photos to be turned off, it will not reset to turn them back on, which is the annoying part. So I hope that video helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.